Every year, millions of people travel to one sacred city, Puri. They come from different languages, different cultures, different beliefs. Yet they walk together, drawn by one name, Jagannath, the Lord of the universe. But what makes this temple so special? Is it history? Is it faith? Or are there traditions that continue to inspire generations? Let us discover 7 remarkable stories and sacred traditions of Jagannath Temple. According to long-held tradition, Lord Jagannath first revealed himself as Neelamadhava to Vishwavasu, a tribal devotee. His worship was simple, his heart was pure. News of this mysterious deity eventually reached King Indradyumna. The king sends Vidyapati. Unable to find the shrine, Vidyapati follows Vishwavasu while secretly dropping mustard seeds along the path. Weeks later, those seeds sprout into plants, revealing the hidden root. But when the king finally arrives, Neelamadhava has disappeared. The Lord could not be owned. Tradition says he vanished before the king arrived, reminding humanity that God belongs not to power but to sincere devotion. The king prays. One night, Lord Jagannath appears in a dream. The next morning, huge sacred neem logs float ashore on the coast of Puri. No one can move them. The king folds his hands. Vishwavasu touches one side. The king touches the other. Together, the logs move effortlessly. Temple tradition tells us that sacred wooden logs, known as Daru Brahma, arrived by the sea through divine will. Only when the king and the humble devotee worked together could they be moved. A reminder that humility and unity carry what pride cannot. An elderly carpenter arrives. He says, "Lock the door for 21 days. Do not disturb me." Days pass. Silence. The queen worries. The king opens the door. The carpenter is gone. Only 3 unfinished wooden deities remain. Devotees believe the carpenter was none other than Vishwakarma, the divine architect. Because the promise was broken, the forms remained unfinished. Their large eyes, their unfinished hands, their unique appearance remind us that divinity is not measured by outward perfection. The Jagannath Temple kitchen prepares Mahaprasad for thousands every day using traditional methods preserved for centuries. A cherished belief among devotees is that, despite the vast number of visitors, the sacred food is never insufficient and never goes to waste. Whether one arrives early or late, everyone is welcome to share the meal. People from every walk of life sit together. No distinction. Everyone shares the same food. The greatest lesson is not only the food, it is equality. This sacred ritual is called Cherapahara. Even the king of Puri becomes a servant before the Lord. It is a timeless reminder that no position or wealth places anyone above humility. History records the deep devotion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Lord Jagannath. His love inspired countless people to embrace a path of compassion and humility. The Jagannath Temple follows long-standing entry traditions. Yet during Rath Yatra, Lord Jagannath comes out into the streets where everyone can have his darshan. People of many backgrounds gather, not always because they share the same beliefs, but because they are moved by the festival spirit of devotion and service. Jagannath truly means the Lord of the universe. Perhaps the greatest miracle of Jagannath is not something that can be explained. It is the way millions of strangers become one family. The way a king becomes a servant. The way food becomes a symbol of equality. the way devotion brings people together. If these stories touched your heart, let their message travel with you. Walk with humility, serve with compassion, and remember, the Lord of the universe welcomes every sincere heart. Happy Rath Yatra! May every journey bring us closer to kindness. Follow and subscribe to Make You Smile 8 on YouTube for more stories.